I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. For the first...
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, I really appreciate you here. But if you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how much I love you. Thank you for always coming back to watch me. Today's recipe is a very powerful hair oil that is going to stimulate healthy growth. So if your hair is damaged, make sure you are watching this video. The first ingredient you need is ginger. Ginger has vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that helps improve hair quality and also helps prevent hair loss. So what I did was I just chopped my ginger into little pieces like so, and my next ingredient is garlic. And hey y'all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. So again, I'm going to use garlic in today's recipe. Garlic increases collagen production, and collagen is very important when it comes to hair growth. Garlic can also help with hair loss and also treat your scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth. My next natural ingredient for today's recipe is onion. Onion is also very effective when it comes to hair growth. If you are shedding a lot, if your hair is thinning, if you are balding, you need this recipe in your life. Onion contains sulfur. Sulfur will help strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair loss. Also, when onion is applied to your hair, it increases the production of collagen again, and this will help with new healthy hair growth. Onion also nourishes the scalp to increase blood flow to the scalp, which in turn stimulates healthy hair growth. So with all the ingredients in today's recipe, they are super powerful, they have similar properties, and that's why they are great when it comes to preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. My next natural ingredient for today's recipe is thyme. Thyme can be found in any grocery store. It is really affordable and easy to find. This natural ingredient is also very powerful. Thyme has anti-inflammatory properties that can help prevent dandruff and other scalp issues. And this will make your scalp environment very healthy to give way to healthy hair growth. So after putting everything in a mason jar, I'm going to add my carrier oil. Today, I'm going to use olive oil. Olive oil is great for the hair. It can provide some shine to the hair, strengthen your hair strands, but you do not have to use olive oil if you do not have olive oil. Use any oil that works best for your hair. The most important part of this recipe is the natural ingredients put together. And the good thing about this recipe is all the ingredients are very easy to find. You can find this at any country in any grocery store. They are very affordable. I think every home has most of these ingredients. Just put them together and give this recipe a try and come back and thank me later. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you're enjoying it and you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your family, as well as on your social media platform. So as you saw, I used the double boiler method to infuse the oil with the natural ingredients. I left it in the water for about 20 minutes or till the oil is warm to touch. Then after that, I set it on the counter and left it overnight. So in the next morning, this is what we are having now. I didn't use any specific measurement for this recipe. They are all natural ingredients. Too much or too less, it's not going to harm you in any way. The only thing is, once you put all the ingredients in the mason jar, make sure the oil that you are adding covers all the ingredients. It is enough to cover all the ingredients. Then after that, you just use the double boiler method to speed up the infusion process. Then leave it on the counter overnight, as I explained earlier. So I had to strain this oil the second time because there were still little particles in the oil, as you can see. Make sure you really do a good job with the straining. You can use a paper towel, a cheesecloth, or any material with tiny holes. I like to use my sieve before using a paper towel. That way I'm able to get every little particle out of the oil. And after that, this is the oil you will be having. This oil is super powerful, guys. I cannot even stress on it enough. Listen, you need to know the right way to use this oil in order to get all the benefits out of it. And I know you'll be wondering, is the smell not too strong? Of course it would. I'm not going to lie to you. The ginger, onion, garlic, and thyme put together have a strong smell. But I'm going to show you how to deal with the smell. After having your oil like so, let me show you the best way to use it. But guys, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please do. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. You are going to use this oil as a hot oil treatment. And this is how you're going to apply it. Make sure to section your hair to about 5 or 6 parts. After that, warm this oil. Make sure to apply it to your scalp and also to your hair strands. Once you apply it, use your fingers to massage your scalp so the oil can penetrate your follicles. Put a rubber cap on your hair for about 30 minutes and let the oil to sit to do all the work on the hair. After 30 minutes, you're going to rinse it out with lemon water. Add some lemon to a jar of water, then use it to rinse your hair. This is going to prevent the strong smell of this recipe from sticking in your hair. And also for faster results, repeat this once a week or twice a month. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in my next one.